Hiya, welcome back. Let me show you how I stew some pork meat. Grab yourself a pot and add a couple of tablespoons of oil. Then we're gonna add some sugar. Let it caramelize and get as brown as your favorite brown person in the world. My favorite brown person is about this color, so I'm gonna stop right here and add my meat. My pork meat has been marinating overnight, so I know that it is seasoned to perfection. So let's add it to our pot. Cover your meat and let that caramel brown your meat beautifully. Our pork has rendered lots of juices, so we are going to give it a turn so that the other side can get brown as well. We're going to drain all the juices that our pork created, and we're going to set it aside, and we're going to use it to make our sauce later on. Keep cooking your meat until there is no liquid left and that it is brown on all sides, just like this. Let's make our sauce. We're going to add some of that reserved liquid to our pot, as well as some onions, garlic, thyme, whatever you have added, seasoning peppers, sweet peppers. Mix well to combine and to cook down all of our fresh herbs. And every time that there is no more liquid in your pot, get your reserved liquid and add a little in your pot. To give my sauce some body and color, I choose to add some ketchup and to add some peps by adding some Sriracha sauce. I add some potatoes to my meat to thicken my sauce. Give everything a stir, cover your pot and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to give your pot a taste to make sure that everything is just right. Check the description box for all the exact measurements and ingredients. And if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to give me a like and leave a comment, and I will be happy to answer you. There you have it, guys. Our stewed pork meat is ready. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you next time.